everybody. So today we are going to be doing an experiment and we are going to try to propagate my little limelight hydrangea. So follow along and I'll show you how I do it. Okay, so the first thing we are going to do is look for 4 good cuttings, and what I want to look for is new growth, but I don't want brand new growth, but I don't want the real woody section either. So that is kind of what we are looking for. And we are also going to want to make our cut right below a leaf node, because those areas is what we'll take to the rooting. I'm not going to be using rooting hormone. I have actually seen people do it without it, so that is what we're going to experiment today. I have also seen people try to root these in water, but we are not going to do that either. We're going to try to root directly into some soil. So, let's see if we can find some good cuttings here. Okay, so I think we have some good cuttings here. These are the ones that I took. And some of these have been eaten up by Japanese beetles. The soil that I'm using, I don't know if you can see it or not, is Miracle Grow Moisture Control Potting Mix, and it's supposed to help with overwatering or underwatering, so we'll see how that does. So basically, what we're going to do here is I'm going to cut these flowers off up top because we don't need those. So we're going to get rid of those. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull these leaves off because we don't need those either. And then I'm going to cut these leaves in half because that's going to help retain moisture into the root system. And then just going to stick that into my soil like so, and then tamper it down. And there we go. We've got one cutting. So let me pump this real fast. And then we're going to want to keep the humidity in here because that's going to help encourage the root growth. Now ideally, what you could do would be to put 4 sticks right here in the corners. These little pots are just little pots that I got with some plants that I saved. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take a Ziploc baggie and put over it. And I may go try to find me some sticks, but that's what I'm going to do just in the meantime. And this doesn't have to be airtight. A little bit of air circulation is good. So let's try doing another one here. And ideally, you may want to also use bigger cuttings than I did, but I did not want to sacrifice any of my blooms. Like, see, I just messed that one up. I pulled too much off. It's okay. We're gonna try anyways. Water them in. And there you have it, guys. We are all done. And like I said, it's just an experiment. I don't know if it's gonna come up or if I even did it right, but from the videos I've seen, I think that's how I do it. So I will keep you posted. I'm not too worried about it being fall. I've heard that's a good time to do it, that you can pretty much do this anytime. So we'll see how it goes. One thing that I probably do want to do is put them in a bright area, but I do not want to put them into direct sunlight. So I will move them off that table and find a better spot for them. One thing I did want to show you before we leave, and flip the camera around. I had a bloom pop up today on my new Rose of Sharon. So that is wonderful. It is so beautiful. See it. Also, I wanted to give you a little update on my salvia here. I ended up putting it in the dirt because it wasn't doing well in the pots. And since I moved it over here, it is just doing so much better. It's starting to turn more green. I know we're not supposed to fertilize this time of the year because things are getting ready to go dormant and take a break, and so we don't really want to encourage new leaf growth because it's just delicate. So, but I did add some anyways, just because you can see how light these leaves are, and so looks like a little bit of an iron deficiency to me. So I did add a little into this mulch, but I did notice they are starting to darken up. So I am pretty happy about that. They are doing great. And I know that the tag says that these are a zone 8 and we're a zone 7A, but I really think that I can go ahead and pull these guys through. We're gonna try it anyways. Thanks for watching, guys, and please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button so you can follow along with us. Have a good day.